Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here about help you how you actually started to use constraints. So what we're gonna do if you would like to start to use constraints is to be going on with the very important things to be related with the video that is already to be done on the moment that we can have actually to be going on with the very good situation that we can actually to use it. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to go through constraints on here, and I have a plugin called auto constraints, so you can actually use it and start to go for selections or any frame or ungroup or ignore selection. So I go for serial selection and make a certain thing, for example on this one. So I gonna start to auto constrain on that square, and this gonna actually start to have a certain thing on it. So if I just start to make it on a selection, it's gonna actually to have a certain auto constraint, or I think it gonna work on the frame better, because whenever you wanted to have this auto constraint on the frame, this is gonna actually work on it. So that's all about two guys to help you if you would like to add certain auto constraints. I hope you see this video helpful, and thank you guys for watching. Good luck.